Hello there, first grade authors. It's Mrs. Davis here with your writing lesson for today, Thursday, April 8th. All right, we're continuing to work on our shape poems today. So today you will take your brainstorming page where you planned out your shape poem. You'll want to use that as you begin to write your final copy of your shape poem. I am also going to link some templates you can choose to print if they go along with your topic. Here are some examples if you're writing something that goes along with a star, a heart, a ball, a leaf, and there's also a blank page if you would like to use that. You can always use your own paper at home. These are just some examples for you. If you would like to print one, I'll have those linked in our slideshow. All right, so Miss Davis did her brainstorming yesterday. I said my topic, I'm thinking all about a leaf. So I did a quick sketch of what my shape will be for my shape poem. And then I came up with just some phrases for now, brainstorming what I want to include in my writing. I said rustling in the breeze, bright green in spring, giving us shade, making clean air, all things about my topic of a leaf. Then I started with my shape. You can start with your shape. You can draw it with your pencil. You can trace it, or you can print out a template like Miss Davis showed you some examples. Just make sure that your shape goes along with the topic that you chose. Notice Miss Davis, her poem is about a leaf. I didn't choose the template of the beach ball. Next, come up with a title for your shape poem. It can be something that goes along with your topic. I chose a leaf. Then begin writing sentences that tell about your topic. We would like you to use complete sentences for this poem. Consider some elements of poetry you might want to include. We've talked about several elements of poetry. You might want to include one in your poem. All right, so here's Miss Davis's shape poem. See, I started out with my shape of a leaf. I gave it a title and I wrote the title in the shape. Notice I started writing from left to right, then moving down the shape, trying to fill that shape as much as I could. All right, so let me read to you my poem, A Leaf. High up in the tree, a bright spot of green. It must be spring. This leaf will give me shade. This leaf will give me clean air. This leaf will help to feed the tree too. You may have noticed that I chose to use the element of poetry, a repeating phrase in my poem. You can use that as well, or maybe you'd like to do rhyming in your poem or some alliteration. Miss Davis did repetition, so I repeated this phrase, this leaf. Notice I repeated this leaf 3 times in my writing. An element of poetry you might want to include. All right, writers, so your goal today is to use your planning page that you completed yesterday to write your shape poem. Make sure you fill the shape you chose with sentences all about your topic. And here are some more options if you would like to print writing paper. I found these on a website that I will link in our slideshow as well. You can see there's all kinds of different ones. These are just some of them. They have a lot more too. All right, my authors, have a great time writing your shape poem. We can't wait to see them. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.